Hey T-Squad mugs up, because we've got some major legal tea on Sean P Diddy Combs. And this one is a roller coaster. So here's where things stand. The verdict is in, and it's a mixed bag. Diddy was found not guilty of the biggest federal charges, racketeering, conspiracy, and sex trafficking. But the jury did convict him on 2 counts of transporting individuals for the purpose of prostitution under the Mann Act. That's serious stuff, even if it's not the headline charges the prosecutors were pushing for. Now, those convictions could technically carry up to 20 years behind bars. But here's the twist. Prosecutors themselves are suggesting a much lower sentence, somewhere in the 4 to 5 year range. And that's before we even get into the post-trial drama. Diddy's legal team is working overtime on what they're calling a redemption strategy. They want him out of prison and instead on home confinement at his luxury Miami Island estate. Their pitch? He needs therapy for anger and substance issues that they say the federal jail system just can't provide. And they're even offering to have him take on a public role as an advocate against domestic violence, turning his legal troubles into a learn from my mistakes type of mission. But that's not the only card they're playing. Behind the scenes, his team has reached out to none other than Donald Trump, testing the waters for a possible presidential pardon before sentencing. While nothing is confirmed, they're clearly hoping to pull some political strings. Public reaction? Let's just say people are split. Critics are pointing out that a $48 million Miami villa isn't exactly what most of us picture when we hear the words home confinement. They're calling it more of a vacation than a punishment. As for what's next, sentencing is set for early October. And that's when we'll see if the judge goes for prison time, home arrest, or something completely unexpected. Either way, this case has turned into a legal chess game with Diddy's freedom on the line. T-Squad, what do you think? Should Diddy serve hard time? Or do you buy into his redemption plan? Drop your thoughts in the comments. And I'll be watching. Until then, keep your mugs full and your tea hot. I'll see you in the next one.